Hi, Internet Academy. This is Mr. Snelling. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how does he know what I'm thinking? But really, what you're probably thinking is, he's not a PE teacher. That's fine though. And I know what else you're thinking. Why the heck is he teaching me something about fitness? And to be honest, the answer to all three of those questions is, I don't know. Right, so we're going to start out though. We're going to do about 15 minutes. We're going to do a set. There's 9 exercises that we're going to do. And we're going to do them all twice. Hi, Brody. You helping?
Yes.
Yeah, you gonna help? Alright, you're gonna be my exercise helper?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, will we start?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so to start off, we are gonna do 30 seconds of jogging on a spot. Right, so we're gonna jog. Are you gonna jog too, Logan?
No, Dad.
Jog in the spot, 30 seconds.
Dad.
What?
Can I?
That's it, Brody.
Can I?
What's up?
Can I show them
15 seconds.
We're getting fitness.
You can show them.
But
10 seconds.
With football. I did 13.
Oh, getting too close there. 2, 1, rest. So, we're going to do 30 seconds of resting. Now, I hope you guys are enjoying your time away from school. I know it's a bit, I do miss being at an academy. Pull your trousers up. Yeah, so I definitely miss seeing your faces and stuff like that, obviously. Brody, no, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Right, so that's 9 seconds. We're going to get started. This time we're going to do 30 seconds of jumping jacks. I think you guys call them something else though. Look, what do you call jumping jacks? These things. Star jumps?
Yeah.
Ready?
But in America.
Go, 30 seconds. In America, what do we call them?
Star jumps.
We call them star jumps? No, we don't call them star. They call them star jumps here, I think, don't they?
No, they don't.
It's so hard being American sometimes. Are you American, Logan?
I think I'm both.
Ah, right. So, in the academy, so you guys know I say a lot of different words and I mix things up really badly a lot of times. So we got 4, 5, 2, 1, rest. So we got 30 seconds of rest time. So I don't know if you guys can see, I'm wearing a USA football top, and I know you guys get a bit confused sometimes about what real football is. So I decided I'd have a really quick wardrobe change, and I have about 15 seconds to pull it off. So I'll be right back. Brody will keep you company. Don't touch it though, Brody. Right. Okay. I just want to make sure we're on the same page as far as what football is. Alright, so this time we're going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to get a bit more difficult.
Dad,
Alright, so we're going to do 6 high knees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. And then we're going to go and we're going to do 4 lunges.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4 lunges. 2, 3, 4. Right, so we're going to do 30 seconds of that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5 seconds. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, now we're getting to the point. We got 30 seconds of rest. Have some water. We're getting to the point where I'm starting to actually need my wrists.
And my wrist too. No, can I have a scar?
No, leave that. Right. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do 6 mountain climbers, and then we're gonna move sideways. All right. So in 5 seconds, I'll show you what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're gonna move.
I do breath too.
And then do more mountain climbers. Okay. So 30 seconds. Here we go. Mountain climbers. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and that's time. Now, 30 seconds rest. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a squat, and then we're going to put our legs up. All right, so basically, as we go through, don't touch the chair, please. We're going to do a squat and leg up. All right, so we're going to do squat and leg up. We're going to start with the right leg for 15 seconds. Have a wee rest, and do the left leg for 15 seconds. All right. Okay, ready? Okay, then take your rest, birdie. Right, so squat, leg up. Squat, leg up. Squat, leg up. For 15 seconds of the right leg. Squat. You gonna do it, Logan? All right, have a rest. 15 seconds rest.
15 seconds.
All right, stay away from there. Right, and we're gonna do the left side now. Ready? Squat. Okay, take it. Leg up. Squat. You're gonna do it, Logan. No, leave it. Leave it, Brody. Use your water. Your water's over there on the trampoline. Squat.
No, that's not water.
All right, we'll go and drink your juice. All right. Rest. Now, what we're gonna do in a minute is we're gonna do some arm lifts. So what we're gonna do. Ready?
Drink water.
All right. So we're gonna lay down.
Right next
Can't really see it. All right. 30. So you're gonna do squats and then raise your leg. Start on the left side. You're not squatting. You're just gonna go 1, 2, like that. Okay. So same thing. We're gonna do 15 seconds, then rest, and then we're gonna do 15 seconds on the other side. So we're gonna start off assistant with our right leg going up. So lay down here. You lay on your side, and then go 15 seconds. 1, 2. It's 5 seconds. All right, rest. And switch over to the other side.
Right back next to
What's
you.
up, buddy? Can you leave my cup alone, please? You silly boy. All right. All right. So, 15 seconds. So, 1. It's 5 seconds. Make sure you keep your legs straight.
This is the hardest football.
All right. 15 seconds. Now, this two-shirt decision was not a good idea. It's a bit warm, to be honest. Right, so we are going to do some leg raises for 30 seconds. What we're going to do with this, you're going to lay down on your back, and you're going to lift your legs up. Down. All right, so here we go, 30 seconds. What are you doing, Peyton? Oh, no. 30 seconds, so that's 10 seconds in. Hopefully this will go quickly. Peyton's killing me just now. Say hi to the boys and girls at Anna Academy. Look, Peyton. 10 seconds. Right, that's us. Oh, I cut about 3 seconds off. Right, so 30 seconds rest. Now, I'm going to do this one. This is one that I've always hated, but it works. So basically, start off, put your hands up, go down, put your legs in, then up again, hands up. Okay? So we're going to do that for 30 seconds, okay? Ready, hands up, down, push-ups, knees in, up, out, in, up, out, in, up. That's 10 seconds. 15 to go. seriously wearing me out. Alright, that's us. Now, what we're gonna do this time, get yourself some water. We're gonna do it all again. One more circuit. So that's this overall on our workout. We're at 10 minutes. This time we're gonna be going a little bit faster because we don't need to explain the exercises. Yeah. Hopefully you're actually doing this instead of looking at me being an idiot. I think we'll be alright. Okay, so if you're ready, we're going to start. Might have one more wardrobe change. Don't think this one's going to last the whole time though. Right. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to start it off from the very beginning. And we're going to do 30 seconds of jogging in place. This shirt's definitely not going to last. 15 seconds left. Now, those of you who keep up with American football on Thursday, it's the NFL draft. I love Colts. I'm going to be having a pick in the second round. Really hoping for a quarterback if you're really interested. Doubt you are, that's 30 seconds rest time. That wardrobe change is never going to last. Right, so I'm going to cut us off. I got 15 seconds actually. Actually, that's right about the time anyways. So we're going to do some jumping jacks, star jumps, whatever you want to call them. So here we go, 30 seconds. I'm actually making quite a big sweat. Brody, you going to do some star jumps? Logan, get down please.
No, I'm not. No.
You're going to come and do some of this, Logan.
No, I have super speed.
You got super speed.
Yeah.
Life of working at home, guys. Exciting stuff. That's pretty quick, Brody. Alright, that's us, 30 seconds.
I super speed just like Mighty Chase.
I'm just going to take this break and have a wee rest. Get some water. Right, 12 seconds. Can you put that down, please? Hey, Joe, the body coach, needs to try and do this with a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old. This life will be a bit more complicated. Right, that's us. We're going to do our 6 high knees and 4 lunges. Okay? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, stay outside. 1, 2. Don't need to go inside. Mommy's working. Alright, that's us. Right, 30 seconds. What?
But my superpowers are going up.
Well, your superpowers can wait outside for a wee minute. Okay? Right. So the next one we have, in about 20 seconds, is 6 mountain climbers. We're going to go side to side. Right. That's when you do like this. 6. And then I want you to walk it over 2 steps. Okay? I'm not going to do another one while we're doing examples. But alright, that is us. Ready? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Walk it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk it over. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 7 seconds. Last one.
Because I put my powder machine.
2. That's us. 30 seconds rest. Get some water. Alright, so this time we're going to do our squats and our legs up. We're going to change it this time. This time we're going to go right leg, then left leg, but we're going to go for 30 seconds.
My
Alright, instead of doing each side.
Super dizzy.
Super speed makes you super dizzy.
Yeah.
That's that's first world problems, really.
Oh, yeah. So I want to get
Right.
with super juice.
So, here we go. So we have, what were we doing? So, 1, right, and then switch it, left, down, up, down.
Dad, do you know what happens when I use too much super speed?
What's that? What happens, buddy?
I accidentally.
I'm slowing down, guys.
When I try again, I keep falling over.
2,
But
1,
I'm
30 seconds rest.
Super. Oh no! This is the wrong time. I used too much super speed. Why did I do this?
Do you?
Yeah.
15 seconds rest.
Not again.
Next thing we're going to do is our arm lifts, guys. We're going to get on our side and lift our legs up. Our leg lifts, I should say. Alright.
Why do I do this?
Right. So you get down. This is where my technique suffers. Right, we'll start on the left side for 15 seconds. Right. Get your body off the ground.
I need to touch my legs with my
We're going to mix it up.
machine.
Sure, that's not the most beautiful sight. Rest. I'm going to switch to the other side. You make it look so easy on TV. Right.
I got my superpowers back.
Do you?
Yeah.
This is obviously my weaker side, guys. Should be feeling it all across here.
I came to save you.
Good one. Last
came
one.
To save you. I just came to save you.
Whee.
Oh,
Wow. Alright,
look at this.
so
Doing some
we're going to do leg raises
super strength with toys.
for 30 seconds. That's where we lay on our back. I'm just going to go ahead and start. Time going. 25 seconds. Wait, is this your feeling? Hands flat down by your side.
I'm done. I touched that big
You guys are staying
ball.
inside,
That
staying
means
safe.
I got
5
no
seconds.
superpowers. And that made me have, and that big ball made me have no superpowers.
The last thing, the big ball made you have no superpowers anymore. Okay.
So
Right, 30 seconds of rest.
Super.
And then we got our last thing.
So, because I don't want to be super.
You don't want to be super anymore.
Yes, I do.
Okay, show me your speed. Right, guys. Last one we're going to do. We're going to do 30 seconds. I don't know what this is called. We're going to start off, we're going to jump, put down our hands on our leg, ground, kick our legs back. I'll do it sideways this time. Right, so 30 seconds. Hands up, jump.
This is how I do my super
Jump.
speed. I just do my
Take a
super
break out here.
speed by running. I know the kind,
You
but
gonna
I
do it?
can't remember the name.
I don't either. Can you do it with me? That's really good, pal. I think you're better at it than me. Right, look at 8 seconds. You gonna do it, Birdie?
No. I'm just doing some super work. I'm just doing some super work.
Good job, Logan.
I'm just doing some super
Got more of a sweat than I'm into.
I'm just doing some
Hope you guys
super work.
had fun. That was hard. See you later.